Hey y'all, Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So, I just saw this meme and I'm gonna post it. I'm gonna use it as a thumbnail. Oh my goodness. I remember when I was little and my mother used to try to feed me liver and onions. Now, I was a steak girl. Wasn't no burger girl. I was little and give me a steak. You know, I always wanted a steak. I would eat a burger every now and then, but I wasn't the burger kid. I was the steak kid, right? So, so she used to always say, "Eat it. It tastes like steak." No, it does not. Right? So, um, I would literally just sit at the table until I started falling asleep. And then eventually she would say, "Go to bed. Well, you're going to eat it tomorrow." And honey, I got home before she did. Guess where that steak went? I mean, that liver and onions went. Doop. Ballin'. I was not eating that. I said I wasn't eating it, and I wasn't eating it, and I didn't eat it. Liver and onions does not taste like steak. And then, especially once I found out what it is, I was like, why would anybody want to eat that? Why would somebody want to eat somebody's... As a kid now, this is me asking this question. Why would somebody want to eat that? Just like with the hog mugs and chitlins and all. Why would you want to eat something that smells like that? Was my question. Why would you want to eat that? And I was always, I guess, picky about things like that. Like, even when I ate a piece of chicken, I would eat around the veins. And my grandmother used to say, "Oh, you don't know how to eat chicken because you left all this meat on there." Listen, I don't want them veins. I don't want to eat that part. So, living onions, it used to go in the trash. And when I saw that meme, honey, I just bust out laughing. Because somebody said it was an exaggeration, but I don't think so. Um, wasn't really an exaggeration for me because that's really how I see it and how I felt about it. Like, yeah, that needs to go in the trash. 'Cause I didn't like it. My grandma would say, "Don't say it's nasty, just say you don't like it." But I didn't like it. Because you're not supposed to talk about somebody's food. That is rude. Allow them to enjoy their food. Even as a vegetarian, I don't tell people, "Oh, you shouldn't eat that," or "You shouldn't eat this," or "You need to be a vegetarian." I don't tell people that. I just share what I eat, or I eat my food. And it's funny how people who eat meat, I guess it makes them feel some kind of way. So they always usually have something slick and sarcastic to say about the fact that I don't eat meat. Whereas it's like, I'm not saying anything about your food. Why are you talking about my food? Can I enjoy my food without you having something to say? That's really rude for you to talk about somebody's food while they're eating it. But again, I guess because it makes people feel some kind of way that they see you eating healthy or healthier or just eating, plant-based meals and they're not. But why do you feel some kind of way? This is the choice that you made to eat, and this is the choice that I made to eat. Or people say, "Oh, well, now we can't go out to eat anymore." I don't understand. Why can't we go out to eat anymore? Because you don't eat meat. What does that mean? What difference does it make? Why can't I eat what I eat and you eat what you eat and it just be fine? I don't understand why in people's mind that makes them feel bad or make them feel like I don't understand it. I don't understand it. And I guess maybe too because I grew up around vegetarians and it never bothered me. Like I never had anything to say about their food. But again, like I said, maybe that came from my grandmother saying you're not supposed to talk about people's food. So I never talked about people's food. Like I eat my food, you eat your food, you eat what you like, I eat what I like, and that's just the end of it. So I guess that's how I always looked at it. And, Some people don't look at it that way. Again, it makes them feel bad, which again, I have no idea why. What someone else is eating would make someone feel bad. Like, it doesn't make sense to me, but I guess it makes sense to the person who feels bad. Because that's not the purpose. The purpose is for you to eat to satisfy your hunger, not to make someone feel bad or not feel bad. But, everybody's different, to each his or her own. And, when we do what we do and we don't do what we don't do. But I just wanted to share that thought with y'all because that meme, honey, is hilarious to me. Because first you see the plate of liver and onions, then you see it go in the trash, then you see somebody, I don't remember which one comes first. Either they burn the trash and then kick the can. I guess they burn the trash first and then kick the can. Hilarious. It was in a group, but somebody said that's pretty extreme. It's not extreme to somebody who does not like liver and all right, y'all. Love y'all. Later. Bye.